chemistry, but I still remain your number one teacher. Let me introduce myself first. Uncle Joe, aka teacher where they make maths with, aka wuru wuru to the answer. Now, we are going to name this organic compound. I will teach you how to name organic compound because it must come outside in JAMB. There's no two ways about that. Now, you see this first compound here. Before I name it, let me write it on a structure. Let me structure it. This is CH3. For those of you that have been in an organic chemistry class over the week, I've taught you how to arrange organic compound. This is a double bond here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 carbon chain. Now, this is C and H3. I'll write it like this. C, H. I'll put 3. Can you see me? 3 hydrogen. Then I have CH. Then there's a chlorine under. The chlorine can be on top anywhere you want to put it. I told you, for a single bond, the one in the middle must just carry 2, but at the end, 3. Now here is what? CH, then this methyl, CH3, then CH up here, and the H down. Then that's why it's CH2. Then this C, H, then 3 here. Now, in naming this compound, we're going to look at the longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5. That means the parent name will be pent. Pent. Now, you now look at the shortest distance from the end or from the beginning or the end to the nearest subscript. When I calculate 1, 2, I've seen chlorine. The third one, I now see methyl. So if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, I meet methyl. On the fourth one, I meet chlorine. I will not take my numbering from the left because from the right is the shortest form. Now, I will ask myself, 1, 2, what did I find there? Chlorine. 3, I find what? Methyl. This is how I'm going to name it now. I will say 2, because I find chlorine on the second carbon atom, I will say 2 chloro. I will not put chlorine, no. 2 chloro, 3 methyl. Methyl what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many carbon? 5. 3 methyl what? Pentane. Why am I putting in? Because it's double bond, a single bond. Pentane. So this is the name of the compound. 2 chloro, 3 methyl what? Pentane. The next one, CH3. Number 2, CH3. This is C. Carbon is carrying 3 hydrogen. I told you at the extreme end. Then here, CH3 2. It means that this carbon is carrying methyl in 2 places, up and down. Methyl here, CH3, on that methyl here. Then I'll draw on that one again. CH. This is how many methyl? 1. So I'll put my C. Let us put the H down and put the methyl what? Here. Then C, H. Okay, here have to be 2. CH, chlorine is down, and then hydrogen here. Look up. Now, how do we name this compound? I told you, we will look at the longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the longest one. 4 carbon. Now, I told you, we will start from the place where we can find the lowest subscript. If I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I met methyl up and down here. And from here, if I start 1, 2, 3, 4, if I start from here, I meet chlorine. On the first carbon atom, I meet chlorine. On the second carbon atom, I meet methyl. I will not take my numbering from here. I will take from the shortest distance. Because on the first carbon atom, I meet chlorine. On the second carbon atom, I meet this methyl. On the third, I meet methyl up and down. Look at the way I'm going to write it. I will say 1 chloro. 1 chloro. 2, I meet methyl. 3, I meet methyl. And on that methyl, I mean methyl. 3 methyl. I will now say 1 chloro, 2, 3. How many methyl here? 2. up and down, 2, 3, 3. How many methyl are there all together? 1, 2, 3. Because of their 3, I'll put tri. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbon atom? 4 carbon atom. And that is but. So it is 1 chloro, 2, 3, 3, tributane. Tributane. Very, very simple. Now, let's go for the third one. I have this one here. Look up. CH3. Very simple. CH3. Then CH. I told you, whenever you have a double bond, the middle one will not carry 2 again. So double bond, C, H. Then CH. Hydrogen is 2. Then what? Methyl here. C and then 3 here. Now, in this case, this double bond is very, very important. This double bond is very important. I will take my numbering from the part where the double bond will be counted lower. If I count from here, 1, 2, 3, I've made a double bond here. But if I count from here, 1, 2, so this is shorter. And how many carbon atoms do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the parent name is butane. So on the second carbon atom, I need what? Double bond. I will now say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any subscript? Is there any methyl? Methyl? No. Is there any chlorine? No. So I will now say pent. Because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent. On the what carbon atom did I find double bond? On the second carbon atom. Pent 2 what? And the name, the parent name for this double bond is what? Ene. Akene. Pent 2 what? Ene. That is the name. So pent. Why is it pent 2 ene? Because of the 5 carbon atom, and on the second carbon atom, I find my what? Double bond. Then the last one, CH3. Hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen. Then CH. There's a double bond. C on that H. Then here is CH. Then bromine. Bromine. Then CH. Then a double bond again. This is very interesting. Now, the parent has changed. There are 2 double bonds here. Now, look at where I'm going to start. Look up here. Because on the first carbon atom, I find 1 double bond. But here, if I count from here, 1, 2, 3. This is 3. But here, this is 1. I will take my numbering from the lowest one. Now, let us start how many carbon are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because there are 6, the parent name is what? Hex. So I'm going to take my numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, on the first carbon atom, I find double bond. So, on the fourth carbon atom, I find what? Double bond. This is where I'm going to take it here. I'll say 1, 4. Now, look up here. Look at me. Look at what I'll do here. But on the third carbon, what did I find? Bromine. I will say 3 bromo. Can you see me back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X. 1, 4. 1, 4. How many double bonds did I see? 2. 1, 4 die. Because it's 2. Diene. Students. 3 bromo on the third carbon atom. 1. A double bond. I'm starting from here. 4. Diene. Students, make sure you follow more of my classes on chemistry and physics. If you don't follow me, now you lose. If you follow me, you don't go, you have passed. Because I will teach you what will come outside in JAMB and WAEC. I still remain your #1 teacher, aka teacher where they make math sweet, aka wuru to the answer, aka nobody can do it better. Go for Maraba, Karu, Jukwe, Orozo, Kurudu. I have taught in so many centers. Nobody can teach it better. Thank you very much.